Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the next Bitcoin token. Ticker symbol is Buttcoin, all one word. Now this token is doing very well. They have a huge market cap, huge 24-hour trading volume, and this token was recently listed on a very big central exchange. And it says here, initially launched on MEXC, this token, the Buttcoin, has surpassed $20 million market cap, reaching a peak of a 1,193% surge after being listed on MEXC. So we're going to go over the information on the Buttcoin and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token recently got listed on MEXC Global, and like I said, has surged over 1,190% since being listed on there. So if you're looking to get this token here, and you don't have a MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Buttcoin, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this token has a market cap right now of $13.7 million, and that's also their fully diluted valuation. They have $1 million in liquidity in Raydium, and according to Deck Screener, 99.8% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Just today, they've had 63,788 transactions, and they have a 24-hour trading volume today of $26.4 million. So very, very popular project here. And token price is 1.37 cents per token. So this token came out 6 days, 19 hours ago. It's a fairly new token. And it was created on pump.fun, which is a web page for creating Solana meme coins. And there was already a community takeover according to their deck screener. It says here, the next Bitcoin community takeover, a community claimed ownership for this token January 31st. A team took the Buttcoin mission and lore to the heart. It's time to bring a Buttcoin and X and form a real community. Original dev never created accounts or TGs and sold everything right at the beginning. And so the community took over. So it says, Buttcoin is the meme version of Bitcoin, born from the viral 2013 video by James McMurray. It's completely decentralized, just like BTC. Contributions are welcome from anyone. And their link tree you can find on their Twitter. So I'm going to put their Twitter as usual in the corner of the screen here, so you guys can easily find this project. At Buttcoin TNB. And has a link to their Telegram right there at Buttcoin TNB Soul. And then their full link tree there that's going to take you anywhere I need to go. Now, this Twitter just joined in January 2025. Brand new Twitter. Blue verified check mark. 188 posts. 2,092 followers. And the Telegram has 599 subscribers, and you can preview the channel before joining. But both the Twitter and the Telegram are going to be great places to see updates regarding this project, like new partnerships, token listing announcements, memes, all that fun stuff. Now, on their link tree here, they have a TikTok, Telegram, YouTube, Twitter. It says, watch the 2013 tutorial. And so it looks like that is the fellow here who's in the banner. The picture for this token is the guy from 2013 who made the video here. They have a contact us button, and it's a Telegram that'll take you over to I'm guessing the person in charge's Telegram there, even though it's community takeover. I guess it's the community lead. Then there is a button for the chart on the link tree. It'll take you over to Deck Screener. There's also a Phantom, Moonshot link there, and Photon, all sorts of different links. Donate to our community growth fund. And yeah, so if you wanted to get this token in a decentralized way, it is available on Raydium. So first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Solflare wallet, Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, or a MetaMask wallet. And you could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund your wallet with Sol. Now, you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, you'd go into the dApps, you would find Raydium, and then using the contract address that you could find on their Deck Screener charts, their Sol Scan, all sorts of different places. You can find it in the link tree. It looks like you could probably find, yeah, you could find it right at the very top of the link tree. So you just got to click on the link tree. You'll see it. It ends in pump. Use that contract address. You would trade your Sol for the Buttcoin. Now, 6 decimal places on this token. They have a total supply of 999,151,210 tokens. 11,607 holders so far. And their rug check here says risk analysis is good. And the Raydium pool contains 3.67% of the tokens, and the top holder has 1.7% of the tokens. So there's no big whales or anything like that. So that's good to see. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.